We'll be playing the following video using our project. As we discussed earlier, we use a Python script to convert the source video into a desired format. This is the Python script we're using for that. It takes in the file called badapple.nkv and stores the output as badapple.bin, which is a binary file. Let's run the script now. As it takes time to execute, I'll just speed through it. Now that we have the binary file from the script, we can write it onto the SD card. So first of all, we'll try to look for the SD card block, which is dev/hdb. We'll finally write the file to the SD card using the dd command. We can see that the file has been written to the SD card so that we can insert it back into our project. As we can see that the project doesn't display anything yet, as we haven't flashed the program onto the microcontroller yet. So let's go ahead and have a look at the source code. For flashing the microcontroller, we're using a custom tool chain using AVR Dude, and we use a makefile for that purpose. We'll use the make flash command and it will program the microcontroller appropriately. As we can see, a few seconds after the flashing, the video starts playing on the OLED display as expected.